Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of reviews on the application of Slack. Here you click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Slack and you will enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and you're watching.